Most Americans have never heard of these Korean RVs, but some of them are doing things that even expensive motorhomes still struggle to get right. One has a massive slide-out system. One is a factory-built camper for around the price of an empty cargo van. And one might be the smartest compact camper design we've seen in years. So if you enjoy discovering unique RVs and hidden camper innovations, hit subscribe, because some of the most interesting RV ideas in the world are coming from places most people never think to look. Today, we're looking at 3 Korean RVs that are quietly changing how people think about modern motorhomes. Kiva Mobil RCK8. This is the vehicle that brought a lot of international attention to Korean motorhomes. And once you see it, you'll understand why. The Kiva Mobil RCK8 leads with its signature feature, an electric slide-out. It expands the living area outward by nearly 27.5 inches the moment you park. With a single button press, the interior changes into a space that feels dramatically larger than most traditional Class C layouts. Features like this are still fairly uncommon in this price range, especially in North America, where massive slide-outs are usually heavy mechanical systems reserved for much larger coaches. The RCK8 rides on an Iveco daily high-roof commercial chassis. It uses a 3.0-liter turbo diesel with 180 horsepower and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Permanent AWD and over 10 inches of ground clearance give it real off-pavement capability instead of just rugged styling. This is not just a highway cruiser. It is built to handle rough back roads while keeping the living space stable and comfortable. The 27-foot body uses a smooth one-piece fiberglass shell with clean integration throughout. Up front, you get a panoramic 42-inch windshield that offers excellent road visibility, paired with frameless tinted windows, hydraulic self-leveling jacks, and a large rear storage garage. That rear storage area is deep enough to carry bicycles, heavy camping equipment, and outdoor cooking gear without taking over the interior living space. Inside, the layout feels much closer to a compact luxury apartment than a traditional RV. Opposing lounge sofas and swivel captain's chairs create an open gathering space. The amenities feel premium, including a Samsung convection oven kitchen, a tiled bathroom with a glass shower enclosure, a true queen-size rear bedroom, and hidden motorized TVs that disappear when not in use. Comfort is clearly a priority, with integrated floor heating, a dedicated German diesel heater, and factory-installed solar support. Pricing is reported to land around the $170,000 range, depending on configuration and market. That places it well below many legacy Class C models offering similar space and equipment. What makes the RCK8 interesting is not just the features. It is the way Korean manufacturers are approaching luxury RV design, space management, and overall value without pushing buyers into a $300,000 budget. Hyundai Porter H100 motorhome the Porest. Now we arrive at the vehicle that changes expectations for entry-level camper vans. Hyundai Porter H100 motorhome, officially known in Korea as the Hyundai Porest. What makes this vehicle stand out is not just the price. It is a true factory-produced motorhome built directly by Hyundai on a major automotive assembly line. Not a custom camper assembled by a small third-party workshop. Built on Hyundai's proven Porter 2 commercial chassis, it uses a reliable 2.5-liter turbo diesel engine paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. That means buyers are getting commercial-grade durability, strong fuel efficiency for long-distance travel, and access to Hyundai's service network right from day one. But the real surprise is the pricing and the way Hyundai uses space. A base 2-passenger model starts at roughly $42,000, while the fully equipped 4-passenger version lands closer to the mid-$50,000 range. For comparison, an empty cargo van in North America can easily cost that much before cabinets, plumbing, or electrical systems are even added. Despite its compact footprint, the Porest hides several smart engineering ideas. When parked, a hidden rear slide-out extends the cabin space by over 30 inches to create a larger sleeping area. Then, above the dining space, the ceiling lowers electronically at the push of a button. It lines up with the front cab overhang to create a second upper bunk without needing a permanent roof extension. The interior feels much closer to a modern studio apartment than a traditional budget camper. It includes a touchscreen control system for lighting, heating, and battery levels, plus smartphone app support. You also get a functional kitchen with a stainless countertop, a sink cover that doubles as prep space, a compact refrigerator, a 2-burner stove. The compact wet bath includes a shower, toilet, mirror, and a fold-away sink designed to maximize usable space inside the small cabin. Hyundai also integrated rear cargo storage space for camping chairs, travel gear, and outdoor equipment without sacrificing the van's compact overall footprint. Onboard fresh and gray water systems, along with diesel heating, make extended off-grid use possible. Many North American builders have moved away from affordable factory-built campers with strong warranties and efficient layouts. Hyundai took a different path, and the Porest shows how smart engineering can replace oversized floor plans. Hyundai Staria Camper 4. The final vehicle on this list may also be the one most likely to influence the North American campervan market in the future. The Hyundai Staria Camper 4 starts with an electrically operated pop-up roof system that changes the vehicle from a sleek daily driver into a two-level camper setup within seconds. Below, the folding second and third row seats convert into a flat sleeping area for two adults. Above, the electronic pop-up roof reveals another ventilated sleeping space for two more people. The result is a compact four-person camper van that still fits comfortably into normal parking spaces, underground garages, and crowded city streets. You get the flexibility of an RV without the stress of driving a massive motorhome everywhere. Factory AWD is available, which is still fairly rare in compact factory-built camper vans, and gives the Staria a major advantage for snow, wet roads, and gravel trails. The futuristic exterior design continues with an extendable awning featuring integrated LED lighting, rooftop solar options, and electronic smart glass at the rear with adjustable app-controlled tint. That means instant privacy without needing traditional curtains or blinds. Inside, the Staria uses a clean modern layout that feels far ahead of traditional camper styling. You will find a piano black kitchen module, a built-in sink, a 36-liter refrigerator drawer system whose lid doubles as a cooking surface, a 10.25-inch digital driver display, and a dedicated 12.1-inch camper-controlled touchscreen. That touchscreen manages interior lighting, battery systems, and water utilities. Pricing for the fully loaded Camper 4 usually lands around $55,000 depending on specification, while the simpler Camper 11 trim starts closer to $40,000. In other words, buyers are getting a fully equipped factory-backed camper van for the price of a standard SUV. What makes the Staria important is the amount of innovation packed into such a compact vehicle category. It is practical, efficient, easy to live with, and designed for both everyday driving and weekend travel. It challenges the idea that you need a huge driveway to own a capable camper. What these Korean RVs really show is how quickly the global motorhome market is changing. A luxury slide-out coach at around $170,000. A factory-built four-person motorhome near the $42,000 mark. Compact camper vans using smart technology and space-saving ideas that feel genuinely fresh. Whether these vehicles eventually become common in North America or not, they are already influencing the broader conversation around RV design, pricing, and everyday usability. And for buyers, more global competition is usually a very good thing. If you enjoyed this look at some of the most innovative camper vans coming out of Korea, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because we have a lot more unique RVs and hidden global camper builds coming next. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these three surprised you the most. And subscribe, because next we are looking at Japan's smallest luxury camper van.